Hello. The next topic we are going to take is almost based on the previous one. Of course, it has been talked, I think, 1001 times. We are going to repeat perhaps the same, but we are going to have our own stand, our own take. Well, the topic that I am taking, I am bringing a small change in the topic. In fact, the traditional topic is which one is better, love marriage or arranged marriage, but I am changing the topic. My topic is, in modern time, is it foolish to go for arranged marriage? Well, what say?
Well, my answer could come across as a little controversial, but I'll be brutally honest. I feel in the present scenario, the only people who do opt for arranged marriages are the people who are not able to find anyone for themselves solely by their own capabilities, either through appearance or the job that they do. Because right now in the scenario that we are living, I don't think there is any person who has restrictions from their family of like, you cannot marry anyone of your own choice. I think that much has changed in the society. So I believe even people who do go for arranged marriages, I don't think they willingly do it. It is just that they do not have any other options, so they have to go for it.
Okay. Don't you think that arranged marriage, it is quite complicated in the sense, right in the beginning you have to go through this Kundali thing, it should match. After that both the parents, both the families, they meet. Then this ladki dekhna and ladka dekhna thing goes on. Then the date is being finalized. Before that there is this tilak and what not. Do you think it is a very complicated thing in a modern time?
Well, I do believe it is a very complicated thing, but at the same time, whatever you told, even I know people from my own generation who would be highly offended by everything that you just said. Because according to them, all these things are a part of tradition and culture, and they still believe that these things are very important to keep themselves rooted to their whatever culture or tradition it is, which is quite a shocking thing actually.
Oh, so according to it is okay, perfect.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who do believe that these are part of rituals, all these things, all these different things which are important.
Don't you think that it is a quite time taking in the sense that for arranged marriage it goes for about 6 months finalizing all the things. Where in a love marriage naturally when both of you are knowing, when a one fine day you can decide and within a week you can go and get married.
Well, it is natural for things to take time in an arranged marriage since the girl and the guy don't know each other. So it is bound to take a longer time than it does in a love marriage.
Don't you think that in arranged marriage it is rather hard for girl, not only exactly girl, but I think for both of them, it is like you are starting your life with a stranger. Do you think that it is hard to adjust?
Well, personally, I find it a very bizarre idea. No offense to anyone, just the very thought of arranged marriage is very bizarre to me. I've never been able to wrap my head around it, like how is it even possible? But yeah, people do get along well. Well, in arranged marriages, people do get along well, surprisingly. So personally for me, I do find it odd, but I think a lot of Indians would not agree with me.
Okay. And out of these are two options. Okay, the first thing that you told, I would rather agree with you that the persons who go for arranged marriage, they have been unable to find the right match for themselves. Is it the right option? Say you don't find a right match, so you are just going for arranged marriage. The thing, is it necessary to marry at all?
Well, the society we live in, it is definitely a compulsion for people to get married. Otherwise, after 30 there is no purpose in your life if you're not married. That is what people do think. It's not obviously not necessary to get married. But based on people's priority, different people have different priorities. For some people, marriage does not matter at all. Like they have more important things in life to focus on. But for some people at a certain point in life, they think that marriage is something that they do need to go for. So to each.
Okay. Right now we were talking about arranged marriage and love marriage. So I want you to sum up this time.
So we basically talked about, how arranged marriages are a weird concept, but still because of the country we live in, it is a normalized thing. But if given the choice between arranged and love marriages, most of the people who do opt for for arranged marriages are the ones who probably did not
find the match.
Yeah, find the correct match for themselves.
Okay. So well, you take the same topic and try to find out a new outcome, and do let us know also what have you got, what is your opinion on the topic that we have talked right now. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.